Ciao ragazzi, your speedometer is not working? I could have a solution. But before, let's run some checks. The first things I suggest you to check is the speedometer cable. In this video I will teach you how to replace the speedometer cable. Another thing that may be broken is the speedometer gear inside the wheel. In the next video I will teach you how to replace the speedometer gear. Get the new cable and let's get started! To remove the cable, unscrew the screw that holds the bracket. This bracket compresses a rubber seal. The rubber seal compressed, squeeze the cable and hold it in place. If you follow me, you should already know. To remove the handlebar cover, you have to remove 4 screws below. Once the handlebar cover is loose, you have to disengage the speedometer cable. You may do it with a simple long pliers. The speedometer has also an electrical connection. Since it's easy to remove, I suggest you to disengage it. This is the cable that brings the motion from the wheel to the speedometer. But I have to honestly say that it looks in good shape. It's not broken. It is all in one piece and the end is squared, as it should be. So this wasn't the problem. But since I bought a new one already, I'm gonna replace it. Also because the old one wasn't really in good shape. The new one is original, by the way, it's half centimeter shorter. It will work anyway. To avoid any damage, remove the core before insert the cable. We will grease it before insert. Lubricate with some silicone spray and insert until it stops. We are close to the hand. Now we have to pick up from the other side. Can you see it? To engage it, you may use a screwdriver, a hook, or whatever you have by hand. Or I will teach you a nice trick. Take the old cable, insert in the exit hole, insert until the hand, once it's outside, bind it with a new cable. And then you will pull it from below. Really easy, really fast, no mess. Now, in a really easy way, you have just to push and pull. That's it. This could be a little bit tricky. You have to insert the cable in the bracket and then fix the bracket with the screw. The screw is a little bit hidden, so not easy to operate. But don't worry, I am pretty sure that in less than a few minutes you will find a solution. Insert until the end. Then go in the other side and be sure that the cable is turning, so the wheel motion is carried on the speedometer. Now you may finish to tighten the screw and the wheel assembly. The job is almost finished. You have to reconnect the electrical connection and the speedometer cable. It's easy, insert and lock it with the pliers. This is broken, I will replace it with a new one. I understand, it's look dirty inside, I will clean it next time. The video ends here, thank you for watching, leave a like, subscribe, ciao!